Xi'an, China, beneath the quiet fields, a forgotten army waited for more than 2,000 years. 1974, farmers digging a well, when history reached up from the earth with an ancient tale to tell. Yang Zhifa touched the first clay soldier, changing history that day. A handshake, an autograph book, a photograph we'll always treasure today. Terracotta Warriors, the eighth wonder standing tall, guardians of an emperor, watching over one and all. Thousands waiting silently, just as they were meant to be. History lives forever in Xi'an, China. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, a king at 13 years old. In 246 BC, his destiny began to unfold. A UNESCO World Heritage treasure, one of Earth's greatest archaeological sites, welcoming millions every year, sharing ancient sites.
Pit number 1, the mighty main army, 755 feet long, 204 feet wide, row after endless row of warriors, standing side by side.
More than 8,000 soldiers, over 250 horses too. Every face forever different, every warrior unique in view. Armor tells the station, their uniforms reveal their rank. Walking all around the giant pit leaves every visitor amazed. Nearby the restoration workshop, the hospital of ancient clay. Patient hands rebuild the past, piece by piece each day. Pit number 2, the hidden reserve.
Archers waiting quietly,
Chariots and horses still.
much remains protected until technology can preserve all the brilliant painted colors exactly as they were.
Pit number 3, the command headquarters. Smaller, deeper, filled with mystery. A chariot team stands ready, waiting at the ancient ramp. Some soldiers without their heads, never meant to die before their emperor's journey.
Every detail carefully planned, nothing left to chance. Inside the museum, clay becomes a masterpiece.
Molded,
Carved,
fire,
painted,
warriors and horses.
seen up close at last,
Craftsmanship beyond imagination,
still inspiring every generation.
Terracotta warriors,
Standing through the centuries, silent guardians of an empire, timeless memories.
from one farmer's simple well
To one of the world's greatest discoveries,
the army still stands watch
for eternity.
in Xi'an.